The time is right. It's Halloween. Tonight, I will create a zombie, Igor.
It's Igor.
What?
My name is pronounced Igor.
That's a Mel Brooks bit. We're not touching it. We're just making a zombie. Is everything prepared, Igor?
Yes, master. The rums are ready.
Oh no, Igor. That would be too easy. For tonight, we make a whiskey zombie!
Master, you can't! It's against the laws of nature! It's madness!
Madness? You sound like those fools at the academy. When I said Campari was as gross as sweat from the devil's butt crack, they said I was mad. When I made a porn star martini with tequila, they said it was against nature. And they wanted to arrest me when I won the annual Halloween decorating contest.
Were they jealous, master?
Oh, very much so, Igor. It was all going fine up until the dean realized one of my props was wearing the dress he buried his wife in. Of course I dug up corpses from the local cemetery. I wanted it to look realistic. Anyway, I was planning to leave the academy even before they threw me out. But none of that matters tonight. Tonight, those fools will see the mistake they made when they scorned me. Tonight, we bring to life a whiskey zombie!
How is it even possible, master?
Well, we will draw inspiration from a traditional zombie recipe. Now that calls for an ounce of an overproof rum. So, here, take this bottle of Upshot cask strength whiskey. It's 64% alcohol by volume, rather overproof, and we're going to put 1 ounce of that into a shaker. Next, the traditional recipe calls for a lighter rum, so we're going to go with a lighter whiskey, twofold from Starwood Distillery, and we're going to add 1.5 ounces or 45 mils to our shaker. The traditional recipe also calls for 2/3 of an ounce of an aged overproof whiskey, so we're going to use Bakery Hill's Blunderbuss. It's 58% alcohol, aged for 8 years. We're going to add 2/3 of an ounce or 20 mils to our shaker. The rest of the ingredients would be the same as if it was a rum zombie, so we're going to add 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of Falernum to our shaker. We'll also be adding just a dash of absinthe, but careful with this, Igor. It's very potent. Even small amounts can end up dominating a drink, so just a dash. Then we're going to add 30 mils, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Follow that with 2/3 of an ounce or 20 mils of lime juice. And even more juice. We add 1/3 of an ounce or 10 mils of grapefruit juice. Now, you must add ice and shake, Igor. Shake vigorously. Shake with 40,000 volts running through your body!
Is that the metaphor?
And we have the perfect receptacle for our demonic beverage. And I filled it with ice, but ice crushed like the bones of my enemy. And after we pour the drink, to round things off with a Halloween touch, we drizzle on a spoonful of Grenadine. And there we have the creation that those fools at the academy were too scared to even contemplate. The whiskey zombie!
Master, you were so obsessed with whether you could create it, you never chose to consider if you should.
Of course I should have. Oh, the dark arts have come together to meld a beverage of complex and pleasing flavors, as well as incredible potency. Seriously, if you were to try this, drink it slowly. You don't want to end up the zombie. This is pretty damn strong. But there it is, viewers. That is your Halloween challenge. Try the whiskey zombie. If you dare!